Hello, my name is Dania Garcia. I am from Boyacá. I live the Dorado Meta. I don't have a profession now. My native language is Spanish. I am 10 and 7 years old. I am a student of psychology. I usually get up at 6 a.m. I take a shower. I dress and then I brush her teeth. After that, I give food the chicken. Then I have breakfast. For breakfast, I usually have milk and broth. Then I clean the house and at half past, then I start to cook lunch. For lunch, I usually listen to music and watch television a bit. At half past 7, I take the dime. Then I usually read a book or I chat with my friends and my boyfriend for a while. Finally, I go to bed at about 11 o'clock, but before that I brushes her teeth.